guys, it's your librarian, Mrs. Main, and today is October the 7th. It's National Inner Beauty Day. So I want you guys to look out for your friends and neighbors. Don't put your personal information like your birthday, your first and last names, your address, where you go to school, or your phone number anywhere online to protect yourself, okay? And your family. And always think before you post. I wanted to make sure we think about posting something polite, respectful, and positive, because we know that actions can hurt, but also words online can hurt as well. And if you ever see something that doesn't look right, please say something. You can always contact the Klein ISD police, or your teachers, your principal, or your family members, okay? Any responsible adult that you know. Alright guys, have a wonderful day. Bye!